first what we're going to do is type in browser MCP extension. It should be this first option up here. This doesn't matter if you're on Microsoft Edge browser, Google Chrome, Safari. This is the link that you'll go to, and it is this little robot guy. That's how you'll know you're on the right spot. So what you'll do is you'll click this blue Get button and select the Add extension. It's going to load here and bring us to this new page where we'll click Get Started. On this page, you'll be able to read through the documentation and learn a little bit more, and also you can find some troubleshooting tips here. What we're going to do is look at the documentation for setting it up in Cursor, and that looks like this. So it's telling us, 1, open full cursor settings, navigate to the Tools tab, click the new MCP server, add the server configuration that's below, and click the refresh button to the browser MCP server to reload the server config. So if you don't have Cursor, I'll show you where to go to download that real quick. Go back to Google, type in Cursor IDE. It'll be this one. So it's a little cube here. It says cursor.com. And depending on what device you're on, if you're on a PC or a Mac, this button will change. You just go ahead and click this and then follow through on your downloads, and you'll have Cursor downloaded to your device. All right, so back here on the browser MCP documentation page, you see we have this server config area right here. All we're going to do is hit this button right here to copy this content. So we'll copy it, and I'm going to open up a new window in Cursor. This is what it should look like for you whenever you open up the application. And all the way over here in the very top right, there is this cog button. You'll click it, and at the very bottom, there is Cursor settings. Now over here on the left panel, you'll click Tools and MCP. Now here, you'll see this option for Add a Custom MCP. We're going to click that, and it's going to open up our mcp.json file. All you need to do here is hit Control-V or paste it in, and click File up at the top and save. And now what you'll see when you hop back over to the Cursor Settings tab is now we have installed MCP servers, browser MCP, 12 tools that are enabled. These are all the ones that allow the agent to utilize your browser. So from here, now that we have it activated in Cursor, we'll come to our browser. I'll go to LinkedIn. So here we are on LinkedIn. What I'm going to do is click on the extensions button up here in the top. I'm going to select Browser MCP and click Connect. So that means the agent will be using this tab specifically. It's not going to open any other ones or use any other ones. It's just going to use our LinkedIn tab right here. So I'll go back to our agent, and I'm going to paste the prompt that I'll be giving you in the resource for the agent to use. This has instructions for it. I'll just read it real quick. It says, use browser MCP to go through my LinkedIn feed and engage with posts. For the next 10 posts, like the post. Click See More to read full context if needed. Read the full post carefully. Leave a comment that is relevant to the content but supportive and engaging. Move to the next post. Rules. I don't want to approve comments, just post them. Keep comments conversational, 1 to 2 sentences. Do not use em-dashes. If a post is spam or doesn't make sense, skip it. Complete 10 posts, then give me a summary of what you did. Okay. So one other tip here is you're able to choose different AI models to function for you to do this. Composer 1 I found is one of the best to actually use the browser MCP for this functionality, and it's quick and reliable. So here's something that may occur as far as troubleshooting. Sometimes you may see browser MCP have this little red dot here. That means that it's not functional. Typically, all you'll have to do if that's the case is click on this green toggle, toggle it off, toggle it back on, and it should reboot it to where it's ready to go. And I'll send him the message. Close this so you can see it. It refreshes the page, sees now the prompts. There we go. So you can see side by side here, this is the agent telling us what it's doing, running the browser click. You may see little pop-ups that say approve or allow list, like that. And what that's essentially doing is you have the option before the agent takes an action to approve it. I have gone ahead and clicked allow list so that I don't need to approve it every time the agent asks for some guidance. This allows it to be 100% automated. And really, that's all you have to do. So you'll paste that prompt here in the agent. Make sure that the extension is connected up at the top. Click connect, send your message to your agent, and it's going to go ahead and start using the browser as if it was you doing it, liking and commenting posts.